breakfast I'm making, and you know, don't look. Good morning, guys. My husband's outside gardening at the moment, doing something out there. I did my makeup to just kind of post like in just to post an eyeshadow look. I used this eyeshadow palette today, which I actually really did like. This one's completely different than the other one that I tried. And today I got in my P. Louise primers. If you didn't know, you know, I absolutely love my 02 eyeshadow primer, which is their original color. So I actually picked up Touch of Frost, which is a light blue, orange, and I also picked up Hint of Mint. And I picked up Zero, which is supposed to be white, but they accidentally sent me the wrong shade. So I had to send them a message because they are from the UK. If they can send me the color I actually purchased. And I even checked the receipt to see maybe if I did something wrong. But no, I did not. So it was their bad. I'm drinking coffee. I did have Degona earlier today. I feel like they're too sweet. That's how you know I am an actual coffee drinker, that it is way too sweet. So I had to, well, I drank half of it. Then I put a little bit more coffee, and I felt like it still wasn't strong enough. So I just poured myself some regular black coffee to drink. I'm gonna go outside for a little bit with my husband and see if he needs any help. But first, I'm actually going to change out our bed set because we normally, I feel like we do it like once a month, but I did it like 3 weeks ago, and I think I need to do it again. Yeah. And then I need to cut my nails because long nails are disgusting. Changing my nails, I'm just gonna fix the bed. I'll probably change out the sheets tomorrow.
Lost again without a plan. How we end up here again, boy? What's wrong with you? Just the paper and a pen. Don't fall for lies, decoys. Just follow what's true. Everyone telling you what you shouldn't do, just because it's something that they couldn't do. Some people take the time to see the good in you. Just examine and study them for what you wouldn't do. Don't lock up those feelings. Those things will guide you to reveal it. Don't you get caught sleeping. Just stay woke with constant believing. You got what you need. It just takes the sweat and the bleeding. As long as you breathing, continuing your reach the meaning. There's something that is always on my mind, but I don't ever wanna waste the time. I think I need direction. Look both ways like I'm
Making some angel hair pasta, cauliflower soup, and some chicken stuffed with some cream cheese and spinach.
just because it's something that they couldn't do. Some people take the time to see the good in you. Just examine and study them for what you wouldn't do. Don't lock up those feelings. Those things will guide you to reveal it. Don't you get caught sleeping. Just stay woke with constant believing. You got what you need. It just takes the sweat and the bleeding. As long as you breathing, continuing your reach the meaning. There's something that is always on my mind, but I don't ever wanna waste the time. I think I need direction. Look both ways like I know what to find, but I can't claim anything for mine. I know I need direction. I feel like these are grown ass issues, but here I am texting that I miss you. I really need direction, yeah. I really need direction from my compass. Life's going south, that just navigate. navigate. Don't let it bring you down, just gravitate.
Kitchen is nice and clean. Best feeling. My husband's rocking out downstairs. I hope I don't get copyright for that. I honestly cleaned all day, guys. Literally. I didn't film me cleaning the bathrooms just because who wants to see someone clean the bathroom? Oh my god, my lipstick looks so ratchet. Even though it's just for you guys. Ay, Dios mío, me veo loca. Let me put, this is actually one of my favorite chapsticks. Who am I kidding? Let me sit down. Even though I'm going to take a shower right now. But I don't take off my face and makeup until I go to sleep. But this is like one of my favorites. This is Smashbox Mindful 5. It has cannabis sativa, chamomile jojoba, oh my god. Sunflower oil and apricot oil. And it has a little bit of a tint, you see? But it feels so good on the lips. Love this stuff. Alright, I'm gonna get ready to take a shower and I'll be back, guys. Yep. Nice and clean. Alright, let me actually close some of these windows before I go to the basement. We're doing the rave thing again tonight. Oh my gosh, guys, I actually purchased some crop tops in the size extra large because I like my clothes big to make some, what are they even called? Tie-dye shirts. I brought neon yellow, orange, and I think a black one, which my husband might actually do the black one for me. But I'm so excited. I've been wanting to buy some, and Target had like a coupon, and I literally bought 3 for like 11 bucks, and I got it delivered like 2 days. So it was awesome. I'm so excited to make those. I'll probably vlog me making them. So I'm excited. I'm gonna close all these curtains. I think I just said that, but I'm still gonna say it again. Because again, we're gonna do the little rave thing in the basement and have a little drink. Even when it wasn't quarantine, guys, this is like a perfect night for me. For me and Bae. This is like hella normal. Us having little raves alone in our house. Like we did this before. Literally before quarantine. Yeah. Alright, so let me close the one in our bedroom. He burned sage. I love this one because it's black. Oh, you can still see. Oh, he's gonna complain. He's gonna say I didn't close it properly. There. Literally, it's nighttime. Everybody used to say when we first got it, my in-laws and my mom, they're like, why black? Why black? That's why. No one can see us. So yesterday, I tried on my jeans, my favorite high-waisted jeans, just in case to see if I gained any weight, which I'm pretty sure I probably did a little bit. But I'm good, they still fit. They still fit, because I posted this picture. They still fit. We good. Now go try yours and see if yours still fit. Boiling some water to make some green tea so that, you know, everything we ate to go down a little bit. I told him no sugar, no honey, no lemon. I just want you to drink the green tea. Just green tea. That's it. Lo tengo mal acostumbrado. Tecito. Alright guys, it's going to be 4 o'clock in the morning and I am exhausted. Thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog and I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao guys!